Is your car's gear knob feeling a bit tired and worn out? This little upgrade for the VW Passat V8 promises to transform your driving experience, but can it really deliver on its claims? Let's find out. The first thing you notice about this gear knob cover is its ergonomic design. It's crafted to fit comfortably in your palm, making gear shifts feel noticeably smoother and more effortless. It's the kind of subtle improvement that you don't realize you're missing until you experience it. Material-wise, it's built to last. Whether it's the ABS, aluminum, or leather option, the build quality feels premium. It's designed to resist wear, scratches, and fading, which is crucial for something you touch every single time you drive. This means it should maintain its good looks for a long time. Installation is refreshingly straightforward. The product boasts a direct replacement design, meaning no complicated tools or professional help needed. You simply remove the old knob and pop this new one on. It's a DIY job that even the less mechanically inclined can handle with ease. Beyond the feel, the appearance is a significant upgrade. It brings a modern and sleek look to the interior, adding a touch of sportiness and refinement. It's amazing how a small change like this can elevate the overall aesthetic of your car's cabin. While this specific model is designed for the VW Passat V8 3G from 2015 onwards with a 6-speed manual transmission, the description mentions wide compatibility for most manual and automatic cars. However, it's always wise to double-check the size and thread compatibility before making a purchase, just to be absolutely sure. Overall, this gear knob cover is a fantastic little upgrade. It combines comfort, durability, and style, making every gear change a more pleasant experience. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance both the feel and the look of your car's interior.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.